The next definition is about algebraic expression. So what is this algebraic expression? A single term or a combination of two or more than two terms connected by a plus operator, a minus operator, multiply or divide operator, that is called as an algebraic expression. So it can be a single term or a combination of more than two terms. I say here terms. Example, 7 minus y. So 7 is a constant, y is a variable. So together they have been joined with a minus sign. So now it is a combination, it's not a single term, but still it is a combination of terms. Now this combined terms will be called as an algebraic expression. Similarly, 3x square minus 4y. So 3 is a constant, x square is a variable, 4 is a constant, y is a variable. So 3x square becomes one term, 4y is another term. Both these terms are combined together with a operator. The operator here is minus. So this is one algebraic expression. Now you might have understood what is the meaning of an algebraic expression. Now if there is a term like this, 6xy, here there is no other operator, as I can't see any other operator here. So when 6 is mentioned, it is a constant, x is a variable, y is another variable. When it is written as a 6xy, it means 6 multiplied to x multiplied to y. So there is a multiply operator here, but it is not shown. So we have to understand it, we have to assume that, we have to think that there is a multiply sign in between. So together we call it as 6xy. Now this is a single term, yet it is an algebraic expression. Here in the next example you can see 6 is a constant, x square is a variable, 3x is a combination of a constant and variable. There are three terms here combined as one, and there are two different operators, plus and minus, and there is another operator which is unseen, multiply, that is 3 into x, 3x. All these combined together, there is 2 or more than 2, that is a single, 2 or more than 2 combined together with the operators plus, minus, multiply or divide. This entire thing will be considered as a one algebraic expression. Have you got it? Next we will move on to the very important part called as the polynomials. In algebraic expression, the general term and what you call as wide term is called as a polynomial. So what is this polynomial? An algebraic expression in which each term contains only the variable or variables with non-negative integral exponent or exponents. This is called as a polynomial. What is the meaning of all this? An algebraic expression is understood? Okay, fine. In which each term, for example, term like this, 3x square minus 4y, this is an algebraic term, algebraic expression, in which each term, 3x square, 4y, each term, it has got a non-negative, meaning a positive exponent. Integral exponent means power. So here 3x square, x is raised to the power of 2, which is positive power, meaning it is a non-negative integral exponent. Here 4y, y has got power 1. Though it is not seen, it is assumed that there is a power 1. So 4y to the power of 1. 1, which is the power of y, is positive. It is a non-negative integral exponent. So when two non-negative integral exponents are joined together, this whole thing becomes called as a polynomial. The condition is that to become a polynomial, it should be a algebraic expression. It should be having a non-negative integral exponent. If it has these two things, then it is called as a polynomial, a general term. So examples are given. 6x square, which is a single term. 6x square, as you can see, x is raised to the power of 2. So that means it is having a non-negative integral power or exponent. 6x square is an algebraic expression also. So this 6x square, which has both these conditions satisfied, is called as a polynomial. Now let us consider this 5y. Here y does not have any power mentioned, but it is assumed that y has got power 1. So 5y to the power of 1. 5y is a polynomial. Though it is a term, it is an algebraic expression, it is now also considered as a polynomial because it is a algebraic expression with a non-negative integral exponent. Now can you understand why this term is a polynomial? See, 3m cube plus 7m square minus 4m. So in these three terms combined together, this is a totally we can call it as a algebraic expression. See, this is a term, this is second term, this is third term. All these three terms are joined together or combined together with a positive, negative or a multiply signs wherever required. So it is an algebraic expression. All of them have got positive powers. That is 3 is the power, 2 is the power, 1 is the power. So it is having a non-negative, all three terms are having non-negative integral exponents. So therefore this whole thing is entirely called as a polynomial.